Hey everyone, welcome back to the Maliky Academy. If you are tired of slow browsing and want to speed things up, today's video is for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear your browser cache and cookies to make your online experience faster and smoother. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly are cache and cookies? Well, caches stores elements of websites you visit, like images and scripts, to load them faster the next time. Cookies store data related to your preferences or login information, but over time they can pile up and slow down your browser. That's why it's important to clear them out regularly. Let's start with Google Chrome. To clear your cache and cookies, follow these steps. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Then select Settings. Click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. A pop-up will appear. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Choose the time range like last hour or all time, and then hit clear data. And just like that, your browser should start running a lot faster. You can follow the same steps for Firefox browser or Microsoft Edge. It might be a bit different, but you get the idea. Clearing your cache and cookies regularly can fix loading issues, speed up your browser, and give you a fresh start with websites. Plus, it helps with privacy since cookies can store personal data. So there you have it. A simple way to clear cache and cookies and keep your browser running smoothly. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Maliky Academy for more quick, clear tech explainers. See you next time.